Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your ReadyHubb profile in a couple of easy steps. If you're new here, ReadyHubb is your all-in-one platform that you can use to schedule appointments, book clients, as well as use payment tools to run your business as smooth as possible. Let's get into the easy steps on how to set up your ReadyHubb profile. Step number 1 is to enter your email address, or you can sign in using your Google account or your Apple ID. Step number 2 is to enter your personal information and also enter your business type. Step number 3 is going to be to enter all of your business information, as well as if your business is in person, remote, or hybrid. Step number 4 is going to be to set up your services. This is where you gather all of the different appointments that you offer and you describe them for clients to see and book. Make sure you're posting your best work that shows off your skills. Step number 5 is going to be to set up your availability. How many days out of the week are you available and what days do you want to take off? Make sure that you consistently update your calendar so clients know when they're able to book. Step number 6 is going to be to set your contact preferences. Do you want to only use email? Do you want to use text messaging? Or one really great feature about ReadyHubb is that you can use the in-app messaging feature to contact clients. That way you don't have to have a separate business number, separate business phone. You can just go straight in the app and contact your clients that way. Step number 7 is going to be to determine what kind of payments that you want to receive. So you can do in cash, you can use card. One tip for service providers is to charge a deposit for your services. And good thing ReadyHubb has that option available. Next, if you want to add any additional information, any important things that clients need to know before booking, make sure you note it on your page. If they have to come with a couple of materials with them, if they need to bring anything, make sure that it's on your page and that clients can see it. Step number 9 is to create an FAQ. This is for clients who have any extra questions, or if you get commonly asked questions that you're tired of answering, definitely make sure to put them in your FAQ. And now, after you've gone through all of the things that you need on your profile, you are now finished setting up your ReadyHubb page. Now that all the business stuff is handled, you can do what you do best and service your clients. If you have any questions, please leave them down below for us to answer, and we'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we will answer them for you guys. And if not, we will see you in our next video.